Here's your vitamins from Philippines. Thank you, Te. Thank you to Auntie Myrna and to Auntie Sally. Bring your vitamins from Philippines. We're gonna open it na, love. Okay, we'll start to give you by tomorrow. It's very, we have the scissor naman. Here. Wow. See? Wow. You have baby. Alikati, mommy. You have tiki and tiki drops. What is this? What is this? Tiki drops. You have Celine. Ascorbic Celine. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Timerna. Thank you, Tisali. Ooh, four pieces. 4 pieces of tiki and 4 pieces of Celine. And only you have the, see, look. You have the Celine. Oh my God. Kiss. There. You are here. You are here. Your new vitamins na. Tomorrow, inshallah. (2026) expired on 2026 of November. All are expiring on 2026. This one, July. They will expire on July. And you are 2 months now. How much supposed to be? See? Your vitamins by tomorrow. You happy? Happy? You got your vitamins, snack. You got your vitamins. November 19, 2026. But why, how much? Okay. I'm gonna check later, check. And then the ascorbic here. For baby Lonnie. See? We have the Celine. Here. From birth to 6 months old, 0.3. Yes, 0.3. This is after meal. 0.3. Okay. And how about the tiki? I think it will be the same. Kunkuni. Kunkuni. Aku. 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 From birth to 6 months, 0.25. Okay, here. 0.25. 0.25, bibila. Okay, then this one. Thank you, aunties. Thank you for my vitamins. Thank you so much. Yeah. We got vitamins B from Philippines. Thank you. Inshallah, it will work. Ay, grabe. Di apod ang resibo. Uy. Salamat eh. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye. Bye-bye na tabi.